Hi there everyone, I hope you're doing well today, and in this short lesson we're going to be reviewing some false friends, and I'll explain what that means in language learning terms. So when learning another language, you may often find words that look like a word from your own language, but you later discover that the meaning is completely different. Take for example the English adjective constipated, which looks similar to the Spanish constipado, but the meaning couldn't be more different. In Spanish, constipado would refer to having a cold. In winter, for example, we could say, I have a cold. But constipated actually means you have difficulties with bowel movements or going to the toilet. So as you can see, it is completely different. Now I'm going to read you a list of a few false friends common between English and Latin-based languages, specifically Spanish. You can go online and do a more in-depth search for yourselves, and if you find any that you like, any that made you smile, then go ahead, leave a message in the comments for other Patreon supporters to see. Okay, so here we go with a few more. Actual, disgusting, compromise, sensible, assist, advise, journey, formation, attend, and discussion. So let's go back and take a look at what those words really mean in English. Actual. Now this is similar to real. For example, I originally understood something different, but now I understand the actual results are better. Disgusting. Now this is something horrible or nasty. It was the worst meal I have ever eaten. It was disgusting. Compromise. Now, compromise can be an agreement between two people or groups, like a middle point. So, for example, the opposing parties decided to compromise on matters of state security, although they normally do not agree with each other. Sensible. She is a very sensible person. She always makes good, smart decisions. Now this word is often confused with sensitive, at least in Spanish. Okay, we had assist. This word means to help or offer assistance. Advise. This is similar to suggest or recommend. It does not mean warn. So she advised me to see the dentist. It was a recommendation. Journey. This is similar to trip. It is not related to day or journal. So I had a nice journey to the beach. Formation. This is more related to the order of things or shape. For example, the rock formation was impressive. Or the Air Force display team fly in very close formation. It is not related to training. Okay, then we had attend. Now this word is related to being present at an event like a meeting. So I attended the meeting yesterday. Now a lot of Spanish English learners confuse attend and assist. Because in Spanish, attend is asistir. Right, and the last one on the list for today was discussion. Now this is when people talk about issues together. They don't always have the same opinion, but it is not the same as an argument. So these are just a few examples of false friends. Be sure to do your own search and share the ones that caught your attention. And as always, many thanks for your support, and I'll be back soon with more stuff. Take care. Cheers.